Hey, I'm back. I know, I'm supposed to take some time off to heal and to grieve, and I am. This is far from the end of my healing journey and grieving. It's gonna take weeks, months, years. I actually don't think that I'll ever heal. It's a big hole in my heart. But during this whole process, I still wanna be here. I wanna be here for you. It's also for me as well. Creating, making content for you is my passion. It's what drives me, it's what makes me happy. And it's also what Nally would have wanted. We were partners, we did this together, and we always spoke about our creative process and putting out what we love to the world. The last thing that she would want is for me to stop. It's actually something that she verbally said. She said when she passes, she doesn't want us to, spend our days crying and for it to be dark and gloom. And that's why we made her funeral more of a celebration. And I'm going to continue doing that. I'm going to continue celebrating her by creating. Nally was the most inspiring creative artist that you'll ever get to know in your lifetime. She touched the souls of millions, and we're all mourning together. But she would be the first to say, if you have a voice, you need to use it. Actually, she always quoted Stan Lee from Spider-Man. With great power comes great responsibility.
But with anything in life, with great power, comes great responsibility.
I'm going to continue to be here to motivate you. I'm going to continue to pay tribute to Nally to make sure that her message continues to live on. And I'm going to be gentle with myself in the process. I know it's going to be a roller coaster, but I know I have you for support, and I thank you all. I'm going to end this video with a little tribute for my sister, and I'm going to see you all daily. We got this.